In a small village surrounded by green hills, there lived a young woman named Anaya. She was a school teacher, kind, hardworking, and gentle, but inside she carried a quiet storm. Every night her mind would race, memories of the past, worries about the future, all fighting for space inside her tired heart. She smiled during the day, teaching her students with patience and love, but when the sun went down, she felt empty, anxious, and heavy. One evening after school, Anaya walked to a small river near the village. The water was calm, but her heart wasn't. As she sat there, lost in thought, an old woman appeared. She wore simple white clothes, her hair silver like moonlight, and she held a small wooden bowl in her hand. The woman looked at her kindly and said, "My child, your eyes look heavy. What are you carrying inside you?"
Anaya sighed. "My mind never stops, Amma. I keep replaying everything I did wrong. And when I'm not stuck in the past, I'm worrying about tomorrow. I just want peace." The old woman smiled softly. "Then come with me," she said. They walked together through a quiet path into the forest until they reached a hidden lake, still, silent, and shining like a mirror. The old woman handed her the bowl and said, "Fill this with the water of the lake, then take a sip, and with every sip, remember something that hurts you." Anaya did as told. She dipped the bowl and took her first sip. Her eyes filled with tears as she remembered her father, who had passed away when she was a child. The second sip, she remembered her failure to get into the university she once dreamed of. The third, the betrayal of a close friend. Each sip made her chest heavier, her shoulders lower. When the bowl was empty, she looked exhausted. The old woman said, "Now fill it again, but this time, with every sip, think of something you're thankful for." Anaya looked confused, but she obeyed. The first sip, "I'm thankful I can breathe." The second, "I'm thankful my students love me." The third, "I'm thankful that I'm still learning, still growing." Slowly, her expression changed. Her eyes softened. Her heart began to feel lighter. The woman smiled. "Do you see, child? The water is the same, only your thoughts changed it. When you mixed pain into it, it became heavy, but when you added gratitude, it became peace." The sun began to set, painting the lake with gold and purple. For the first time in years, Anaya felt still inside. No regrets, no fear, just quiet. She placed the wooden bowl on the water and watched it float away, taking with it all the heavy memories she no longer needed. The next morning, when she stood in front of her class, her voice was calm, her eyes warm. Her students noticed. "Miss, you look so happy today," one of them said. Anaya smiled. "Yes," she replied softly, "because my heart is light now. I've left my worries